Thanks for logging on to MyFoxHurricane.com. So we are now watching Tropical Storm Karl. That was that area down into the Bay of Campeche we've been talking about for the past couple of days, developed into a tropical storm yesterday. Pretty interesting. You look on the other side of Mexico, you see this flare-up of convection. This is an area in the Pacific we're watching, and some of that's actually at least partially the remnants of once tropical storm, once Hurricane Julia worked its way over Central America out into the Pacific, but that will continue to work its way slowly away. What we're really focusing in on is this area into the Bay of Campeche. Tropical Storm Karl, right now top winds are at 45 miles an hour. It's moving very slowly to the north at 3 miles an hour. This is going to have an unusual track as we go through the next couple of days. It'll drift maybe a little bit further to the north, and there's some very strong wind shear that is to the north of this ridge building in as well over the U.S. And so that's going to basically just turn this system around and push it back down to the south. So look at this forecast track. There you see it does that basically a hairpin turn and then works its way back to the south, making landfall across southern Mexico. Biggest threat with this, heavy rains, flooding rains, landslides, mudslides as this works its way onshore. As we head towards the weekend, a lot of rain with this. Just kind of an unusual track with it. And reason why, that ridge to the north, and also you see that strong wind shear. Anything that moves further to the north is just going to basically rip this system apart. So it is basically in about that only spot that it has not ideal conditions, but more favorable conditions for development. And that's kind of why you're seeing it sitting down in this one little area and just really not able to get out of that and work its way across any other portion of the Gulf of Mexico. So watch the Fox model, shows that track as we go through the next couple of days. They're working its way to the north and then turning right back around and heading right down towards the south. And that one may actually work its way into the Pacific Ocean as well, having yet a second system that can make its way into the Pacific. We'll have to wait and see if it has the ability to maintain itself. That is really highly debatable on this one because it's just not going to be a well-formed system, not like Julia, which moved ashore as a hurricane. So we're going to keep watching this, and we'll keep you updated right here on MyFoxHurricane.com.